Hi there! Today I'm going to attempt to transform into Sandra Bullock. So to start, I removed my piercings and covered my eyebrows. Then I drew on new eyebrows using a water-based eyeshadow since hers are much lower than mine. I also tried to hide my natural brows with white paint. Next, I defined my eye crease as my eyes are hooded and not as naturally defined. Once that was done, I applied foundation and started reshaping my nose. Now, Sandra has a very distinct nose. It's thin and the tip has this adorable heart shape. It's so cute. Once I was happy with my nose contour, I highlighted a few areas on my nose to further shape it. Then I moved on to the cheeks. Sandra has a bigger mouth than me, so naturally her nasolabial folds are wider as well. Next, I started drawing the mouth. Like I mentioned, her mouth is wider than mine, but at the same time, her upper lip is thinner. I highlighted the areas around my upper lip and under the nasolabial folds, which makes it more 3D looking. I moved on to the chin area where I drew thin lines to serve as guides for shading, which I'll blur out later. This gave me a good idea of where to add more dimension. I then deepened the contour on the sides of my jaw to make it look narrower than it really is. Next, I started the actual eye makeup. I used a black eyeliner from MCO Beauty. I recently picked up some products from them. Comment show me if you'd like to see what I got. For the eyeshadow, I covered my mobile eyelid with a deep brown contour, blending the edges with a fluffy blending brush. I also added a bit of that brown under my eyes for extra smokiness. Then I repeated the same process on the other eye. Using a dark pigment on the eyelids really helps make them appear smaller. To finish, I set the cream contour with a brown eyeshadow. With what was left on the brush, I added a few more details around my mouth and chin. Then I applied a few good coats of mascara. This is the Shea Glam mascara, and honestly, it has become my go-to. I love it. Next, I added some highlight to my inner corners, nose, chin, cheeks, and forehead. This product is from Essence, and I actually found it in my Essence Advent calendar. Back to the lips, I used the same MCO Beauty 4-in-1 pen to line them. Followed by Wet n Wild's pink really hard liquid lipstick in the center. To finish, I topped it off with a brown tinted lip gloss. I added some final detailing with black. A touch of powder, bronzer, and blush. I also redefined her chin for extra accuracy. And 3, 2, 1, this is the final result. I hope you enjoyed watching my attempt at transforming into Sandra Bullock. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Let me know in the comments if you have any suggestions for who I should try next. Oh, and have you seen the one where I transformed into Ariana Grande? If not, make sure to check that out too.